In PC and mobile, I show you in a few moments how to join OBS Community Discord server. For this, we will start with the way in PC since we are here, and then I will explain you how we could do it also in mobiles. To do this, click on the Discover icon that we can see in the lower left corner of our application. Now, click on Servers and go to the search box that you will see in the upper right corner and type OBS Community. Now click on the server we are looking for, and then click on the Join button at the top of our Discord application. Congratulations, you are already inside the Discord server on PC. On mobiles, it is quite likely that you cannot do this same process as it does not usually show the option to discover. That's why I'll leave a link to access to this server in the description of this video. Simply access the description and click on it, and thereby automatically access the Discord server without doing anything else. Please give a like to this video, comment, and subscribe. Until the next one.